how to make and create Facebook business event cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account, click on create a design and search for Facebook. Click on Facebook event cover right here and it will take you to this page. Now go to the search bar again and search for business, and now choose any template you want from here, for example this one, and you can change the image and the text and the logo and the contact also. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.